Family, we are right back here. We have fried off all our meatballs, give them a real good shot, and this is what it looks like. See them here? And first and foremost, give them a shot over the kitchen. Carry them over the kitchen. This is how you want all your kitchen looking, because you're making meatballs from scratch. So this is how your kitchen must look. Just pick and span, because you're making y'all meatballs from scratch. Okay? So we have finished frying off our balls, and we are going to make now some sweet and sour sauce to chill them down into. Here we go. We have some brown sugar here. This is about 2 ounces of brown sugar. We're going to put in about a cup of boiling water. Melt up our sugar, y'all. We have some apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to put in 2 of this big spoon. And this is be about maybe about a third of a cup. Yep. We want to put in a cork and a half of yellow food coloring and 1 cork full of, or a little, maybe chops more of the red, because we're blending colors. So right here, this is like what we have. We want to taste now. We want to get the apple cider and the sugar at a point. It's sweet and sour. So you have got to get the sweet and the tangy. You know that sour and whatever, you have to get it half and half, meat in there. So you want to start right here. If you need more vinegar or more sugar, you start right here. So we're going to taste right here. We're going to put in our ketchup. Still don't know where we are yet. So we're going to put in some ketchup for basting. And we're going to stop right there. Because the balls were floured, so them have some flour fry onto them. So you're going to get some extra thickness when they are being gravy down. So this is the color, y'all. Get right in. Because we are dissolving our ketchup inside our apple cider. Look at this, y'all. So we're dissolving this. Look at this pretty color. Look at this pretty color, you all. This is how we roll when we roll. From scratch. So we're going to taste again. We're going to grate in a little ginger. Sweet and sour can never be perfect without some ginger. We don't want no, because remember the meatballs, they have their own flavor. So we just want a smooth sweet and sour sauce. So we are right in here. Wanna taste again? We're gonna put in a little all-purpose seasoning, not a lot. And we still don't get that sweet and sour taste. So we're putting in a little more sugar. And we're gonna put in a little more apple cider. And if you have a little lime juice, not a lot, you know, because the apple cider is really strong. Because the lime juice more goes together with those white vinegar that has no flavor. So if you're using white vinegar, you can use some lime juice. But using apple cider, you don't use any lime. You don't need any lime juice, sorry. So look at this, y'all. So we were dissolving. And we're gonna taste. But be careful, because it's really hot now, you know, without all that sugar dissolved. Y'all be careful. Mama. Yeah. Right in. Let's lower our flame right here. Look at this, y'all. We are right on On point, y'all. Are you there with me, family? Look at this. Give them a shot one more time. We're on point with color and with taste. So, as always, at your kitchen, put in your meatball then with your hand. Okay? That's it for the sauce. You don't want anything more. Nothing more. No powdered seasoning, because these were all them gel family with those herbs. Come on, y'all. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. You know my thing, from the bottom to the top. Yeah. And look at this. We're coating them with this. We're coating them with this yummy, gummy, sweet and sour sauce, y'all. Yeah? And now, y'all, we're gonna cover. If you have your slow cooker, you can put them in your slow cooker for another 4 hours on low. But we don't have no slow cooker here today. We have our stove. So we are coming right there and we are gonna get it on low. And this is gonna be there for another hour and a half to let these meatballs suck in all of this. Look at this. All this gumminess. Remember, it's gonna be a little bit thicker in there because the balls have been coated with seasoned flour, y'all. And I don't want y'all be getting any rude on me now, because the balls have all been coated, okay? Alright, look at this. So another hour and a half on your low flame. Then, family, final part of it. Tasting, y'all, from inside my humble little Jamaican kitchen. So, family, we're leaving this. When you see us next, it will be the testing and the tasting of these balls, y'all. Okay?